Welcome to Valiant Rabbit Workshop. Today, instead of making something, we're going to turn this garage into a fine shop. But first, a few wise words from one of my heroes.
You see, shop doesn't have to happen in any special place, as long as it's well lit and the outlets are grounded. Because shop is bigger than any classroom or garage or stupid policy that makes tools illegal. It's in our hearts.
Well said, Hank. So the first thing we did was clean out the garage and had some electrical work done. You can see we had some outlets here and here, and here, and here, and these outlets here were actually part of the garage. So you got one here, and then one here. The good thing is that they're all grounded. Up here we plan to add some storage, as it is very important to have a clean shop. You don't want a bunch of stuff everywhere that you're not going to use. So we'll have one on this side and have one on this side to maximize the space usage. We also removed the large cross beams that were going across the garage and used these small braces to give us as much ceiling height as we can get. You can see we have also ran electrical so that we can add new lighting. In this phase we added a new door to the garage. There was only access from the garage door before, and I needed to be able to come in from the back side of the house. You can see we added this touchpad security, but you need a special code. Beep boop beep glorp gleep glorp. So now we go on to the next step, which is adding insulation. Then some sheetrock. Of course, we got to take care of the old feet while we're in the shop, so I found this padding. Check out the link in the description to get your own. As you can see in the top corner of the screen, we've added drywall, and here I'm laying down some butcher paper so I can start painting the walls and ceiling. For the wall color, I chose a bunch of leftover paint cans that I had in the garage and mixed them together. And it came out to this weird grayish, bluish, white color. But that's okay, because this is a shop, and a shop is to make a mess. Now come with me and let's see how the shop currently sits. We have added our light switch, so now we have our bright light source in the garage.
Hey fellas, the garage. Well, ooh la dee da, Mr. Frenchman.
Well, what do you call it?
A car hole.
Or should I say shop, as we're not planning to park any cars in here. So as you can see, I put back some of the stuff that was in here in the beginning, but we've added this air conditioning unit as it gets fairly hot out here.
Well, I need a window seat because this flower is wilting.
Oh, Lord.
Here you can see our new storage in action, holding a lot of Christmas decorations and whatnot. Here are some of the power tools I already own: my little contractor table saw, my planer, and my joiner. Some of these tools will be replaced in the near future. Also have some non-shop items that will live in here, including this gym and second fridge for the turkey, and my giant Duff can cooler.
Are you ready to get duffed?
Here you can see our new LED lights and our air exhaust for toxic fumes. Now you might remember this outlet from before, but check this one out. Focus. And this one. This will be used to plug in overhead tools and whatnot. So this is the current state of the garage. Let's take a look at what the plans are for the future. Here we plan a little pegboard for some hand tools. All these tools here will have a French cleat wall across this wall to be put up. Future plans for some top shelving to store more stuff. Against this wall we will have a miter saw station. The planer and joiner will stay mobile. Here we'll have the big table saw, a workbench and outfeed table, and a bandsaw. Show you what I mean with this 3D mock-up. So here's the floor plan in our garage. Here is the table, workbench, and air conditioning with storage. Here are the things I will have to put in the garage, including the treadmill, fridge, and gym. Here we will add the pegboard and some storage for safety gear, a drill press, and a sander. Here is the French cleat wall I spoke about. On the left corner, we'll add wood storage, a paint booth. In the center will be our workbench, our bandsaw. Then we'll have our miter saw station, our table saw, dust collection, and then our mobile planer and joiner. And hopefully soon that will be the shop. Be sure to like and subscribe and join us for our next video as we add some new machinery to the shop. Thanks for watching.